Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your presets into Lightroom. Beautiful image on my screen shot by Samantha Leon at Little Lion Photography. The first thing you're going to want to do is click this little double circle icon at the top. This is your presets. And if you click the three little dots here, you can hit Import Presets and locate the LSP Harmony Newborn presets or the presets you have on your system. For Lightroom Standard Cloud, I recommend importing the standard set because this is more organized for thumbnails. If you're using Lightroom Classic, please watch the tutorial for that one. The presets appear in little thumbnails, each one showing you a preview of the effect. They also have titles, so you can click on each preset and the effect will be applied. You also have an amount, so you can choose to apply it more or less. These are really flexible. I prefer to view my presets in a named list, so if you click at the top and hit List, you'll get them in a list, a little bit more like Photoshop Actions or how they appear in Lightroom Classic. This way you can hover over the titles, which are self-explanatory, and get a quick preview on your image of what it's going to look like before you click. This also supports the amount slider. If you want to know more about using your presets in a list, please view the tutorials I have for Lightroom Classic. So that's how to install your presets. For the complete tutorial, visit lsp-actions.com and visit the video tutorial library to see how they work and how you can use them.